everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, hair fall or hair loss can be worrisome for a lot of us during any time of the year, during any season of the year. It's majorly because of the kind of lifestyle we're all leading towards. It's the kind of food that we end up eating, which is not very healthy for our facial skin, for our hair, and we don't really take very good care of our lifestyle that way. So it tends to show up on the outside, because it's absolutely true that whatever you take inside your body, whatever you consume, shows on the outside, be it your hair or your skin. But let's not worry about it. I have an amazing hair care routine which will fix all your hair problems. Now, a lot of us have this misconception of just coating loads and loads of hair oil on our head, which actually serves no purpose at all, because when you're coating layers of hair oil on your hair, you would end up using a lot of shampoo that will make your hair more dry, brittle, and that will result in hair fall or any hair loss that you're facing. So it's just not about coating layers of hair oil, it's majorly to focus on your scalp. The hair oil needs to be applied on your scalp and not on your ends. I'm using the hair growth oil by Virginico that's enriched with 5 fermented hair oil that has a smaller form of molecular particles, which is better for absorption, and it makes it absolutely non-greasy and non-sticky. This is a blend of virgin coconut oil and tocotrienol, which is a form of vitamin E oil, but it is 60 times more antioxidant as compared to a normal vitamin E oil. This is an absolutely natural hair oil which makes the hair stronger, it reduces the hair thinning, it reduces the hair loss or hair fall, and it also makes the hair more denser and stronger. Just take a little bit of the oil in your fingers and run them through the entire scalp. Just massage briskly so that the oil penetrates deep inside. When it comes to choosing a shampoo when you're facing hair loss, you must go for a shampoo which is much more milder and herbal and is much more gentle to your hair. So my current favorite is the anti-hair fall shampoo by Virginico, as it specially is meant to deal with hair loss. It is a sulfate-free shampoo which has aloe vera, pro-vitamin B5 with a balanced pH of scalp. Now, this shampoo clears out all the dirt, crimp from the scalp, making the hair a lot more stronger, shinier, and dandruff-free, and also reduces the hair fall at the same time. The right way to shampoo is to lather the product on the hands and then work it in a downward motion from top to ends. And I also love the fact that when I apply this shampoo on my scalp, it kind of retains the natural oils and it doesn't rip off the moisture from my scalp, while at the same time it clears out everything like dandruff or any sort of dirt, etc. Now, post shampooing, it is very important to apply the hair serum by Virginico. It is the anti-hair fall and hair growth serum that specially encourages the new hair growth of poor hair, which penetrates deep into the hair follicles to lock in the moisture. This serum simultaneously improves the reduction of the protein in the hair shaft. It also makes your hair a lot more shiny, elastic, and much more stronger, while at the same time it reduces frizzing of the hair to a huge extent, so your hair becomes much more manageable for yourself. Post your hair wash, towel dry your hair, and take a coin size amount of serum and run it through your scalp thoroughly. To tackle the serious environmental elements, it has become so important to take supplements for your hair, which has almost become very natural. Now, the ones that I'm taking are these are the Virginico nutritional supplements, which have multivitamins, multi-minerals, and essential amino acids, which makes the effervescent tablets India's first natural supplement for hair, skin, and nails. I take these supplements because it provides keratin within my hair. It also promotes the hair growth and it reduces the hair thinning of the hair, making them more stronger. This set of tablets, these have natural stevia in them and they are flavored in orange flavor, and I take them usually once a day. So you can notice the changes in your hair growth, in your overall hair shaft once you've started taking the supplements. They also send a beauty tracking passport wherein you can just track the changes happening to your hair. All you have done till now, just stick as per the dosage or the application and then track your record, so you will not forget the changes that have happened, and then you will also have a habit to use them regularly. So here you go. This is a fabulous hair care routine for fabulous hair. You must definitely keep this in mind, that this these set of products. So here you go, a fabulous routine for fabulous hair. You must remember that these products are particularly focusing on hair fall, but if you want faster effects, then you must just use the entire kit together. The kit which consists of these 4 products that I just told you about, and I have been using this kit for almost a month. And I use it twice a week, so that makes it like approximately 9 times of the usage that I have done, and I can notice the changes or the improvement that it has made to my hair shaft. I always used to suffer with intense hair fall during monsoon season, and I was quite prepared from the very beginning this time that I'm gonna suffer through a lot of hair fall during monsoon, so which is why I prepared myself and I got this kit in advance, and I'm so glad that I got this hair care kit by Virginico for myself. This hair care kit has been specially curated to tackle the issue of hair loss. And not only that, it actually helps in promoting the hair growth. It also makes the hair stronger, more elastic. It reduces the thinning of the hair. It improves the protein content in the hair. So it's actually a very nice kit. The products are natural. And even the supplements are so natural, so you must just try this kit for yourself. So now I'm like not afraid of hair fall anymore. If you're someone who's facing with the issue of hair fall or any other severe nutritional problem when it comes to hair, then definitely try this kit. However, Virginico has a lot of different sets of hair care kits depending on the severity of the hair fall that a person has. So I'll be mentioning all the links in the description box below, but definitely try this kit for yourself and let me know your thoughts, your experience, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you very soon.